Soil resistance value proficiency samples 187 and 188 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on March 16, 2023. Please note that sample 187 and sample 188 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. For R value rounds 187 and 188, there will be one bag of material in each sample box. Each bulk bag will contain approximately 8.7 kilograms of blended soil that is 100% passing the 2.36 millimeter number 8 sieve. Treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.